In this video, I'll show you how to use the app called AI Video Generator, 3D AI Mix in a very simple way. This app lets you create AI videos, fuse images, and generate AI pictures easily on your phone. First, open the app. You will see three main options: AI Video, AI Fusion, and AI Image Generator. Let's start with the first one, AI Video. Tap on AI Video, and here you can enter any prompt. I'll just type a random prompt. Now tap on Generate. It may show an ad because this app works free with ads. After the ad, your video will start generating. Now you can see the video is generated successfully. You can also download it if you want. Now let's move to the second option, AI Fusion. Tap on AI Fusion, and here you can upload an image. I'll upload a random picture, for example, a person image. Now I'll add another element, like a bike, to fuse with it. Tap on Generate or View. Now you can see the result. Both images are combined into one. That's how Fusion works. Now the third option is AI Image Generator. Tap on it, and here you can enter a prompt. I'll paste a random prompt and tap Generate. After a few seconds, the app will create an AI image for you. So this is how you can use this app easily. Keep in mind, this app is free but shows ads and has limited features. If you want more features and no ads, you can upgrade to the premium version. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple AI app tutorials.